How often should I go to the gym? Feeling guilty for taking a rest day? Or maybe for not taking one? You're not alone. Exercising regularly has countless benefits, but too much or too little can be harmful. So, how do you know you're doing it right? Your gym frequency should align with your goals, whether it's building muscle, losing weight, or improving cardio. The U.S. Department of Health recommends 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week. For strength training, research suggests a minimum of 3 days a week, with 5 days being optimal. A 2023 study found that 3 days a week of strength training was superior to 2 days a week for bicep strength. Cardio doesn't have a set number of days, but prolonged sessions or short bursts can be effective. More than the recommended weekly total of exercise can lead to lower cardiovascular disease and mortality rates. For beginners, starting with 2 days a week can be more realistic and manageable. Combining cardio and weight training can help you live healthier and longer. For muscle building, focus on full body sessions at least twice a week. Key compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and pull-ups are essential for beginners. Even training twice a week, beginners can see rapid muscle growth known as newbie gains. For weight loss, a combination of cardio and resistance training is best. HIIT is more effective for weight loss than steady-state cardio. Building muscle through weight training can elevate your resting metabolic rate, burning more calories. It's advised to lose no more than 1 to 2 pounds of weight per week to stay healthy. Is it bad to work out every day? It depends on your discipline, program, and recovery. Working out every day can improve mental health, discipline, and metabolism. However, it also risks overtraining and fitting in life commitments. Smart programming and balancing movements are essential for daily workouts. Active recovery, like brisk walks or yoga, can be beneficial on rest days. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and strength. Training every day increases calorie expenditure, so nutrition is key. 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram per day of protein is most effective for muscle recovery and growth. Staying hydrated is also important to replace lost electrolytes. Wondering how long a workout session should be? It varies based on your goals. Is it bad to do the same workout every day? Yes, it can lead to overuse injuries. How many rest days should you have per week? At least 1 to 2. Can you do a full body workout every day? It's not recommended due to recovery needs. Create an achievable and sustainable plan that aligns with your goals and lifestyle.